Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Thundermans dimension. That's right, guys, and we're hopefully going to be meeting up with Phoebe, her brother, her mother, her dad, but most importantly, Phoebe, guys, because I really love Phoebe, and maybe if I meet up with her, guys, she'll let me be a superhero, and she'll let me join the Thundermans, because that's been like a dream of mine for so long, guys. Like every night when I go to sleep, that's what I dream about. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 blue wool. You want to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need fur red wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side just like that, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 blue wool, and then 1 red wool on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down. Son of a turkey, that hurt. Now you just want to place 3 blue wool on this side, 2 blue wool in the middle, and then 1 red wool on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. Now it's time to go ahead and light this baby up. Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing, pig? That looks so amazing. That would make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button so I could stay up to date with all the latest and greatest Minecraft videos, guys. But whoa! Oh my god, wow, that loaded up quick, guys. And oh my god, is this Phoebe's house? Wow, and this must be her bed of flowers, guys. Oh my god, that's absolutely amazing. Oh, well, it's not so amazing anymore, guys. But she must have the green thumb. Like, see, I wasn't able to plant anything, guys. Like, I couldn't get anything to grow. Like, nothing whatsoever. But then I painted my thumb green. And from then on, I was just able to grow so much stuff, guys. Like, I just leave my thumb green from now on. Like, it just works for me, guys. But oh my gosh, she has an outside pool. Oh my god, I gotta go for a dip in this, guys. I gotta go for a dip in this. Let's go ahead and jump on into the pool. That actually wasn't as amazing as I thought it was gonna be, but it's still pretty amazing that they have a pool out back of their house, guys. Like, I'm gonna have to do this now. In my Minecraft, I'm going to have to put a pool out back of my house, ain't I, pig? There's no going back. There's really no going back. But wow, I feel like something's missing. The Thundermobile. I'm actually going to go ahead and make it right now, guys, out of TNT. I'm going to go ahead and make the Thundermobile. That way, you know, Spider-Man has the Spider-Mobile, Batman has the Batmobile. Now they're going to have the Thundermobile, guys. And it's going to be absolutely amazing. Look at it, guys. Don't that just look absolutely amazing? I will have to ask Phoebe what does she think about it, guys. But oh my gosh. Whoa, is this their kitchen? Oh my gosh. Wow, they have nothing in the fridge. Do they have anything in the furnace? Nothing in the furnace. How is a superhero supposed to live around here on just water? Wow, there's some bubbles in that water when I stepped in it, guys. I'm not going to talk about that. But wow, this is their bathroom, guys. And wow, this has to be one of the best toilets I've ever seen in Minecraft, guys. Like, this actually looks like a toilet, guys. That's actually pretty cool. Let's go ahead and drop some TNT by it. That way they just know that, you know, I blew up their bathroom. And oh my god, guys, this must be the shower. Wow, they really know how to make a bathroom around her, guys. Let's go ahead and head on up the staircase, guys. And more flowers. Something's telling me these Thundermans really love their roses and flowers and whatnot, guys. But whoa, is this her bedroom? Oh my gosh. Whoa, this must be her closet. Which she don't have anything in it right now, obviously, because she's probably out being a superhero, saving lives, guys. But wow, she has a pretty nice bouncy bed. I always like to see that, guys, a nice bouncy bed. This must be where she, like, just does all of her work, like her superhero work. She's probably making some comic books right now, to be honest, guys. So I probably don't want to mess with anything in this room. Let's go ahead, shut that back. And, wow, this is amazing view out from the back, guys. Wow. I wonder whose house that is across the way. Probably one of those evil villains or something, guys. But, oh, my gosh. Whoa, right there's Phoebe. Right there's the Phoebe. Oh, my gosh. Wow, you're more beautiful in person than you are on the television. Wow, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe how beautiful you are in person. Wow, Phoebe. You got it going on. Like if you need a date, if you ever need a date or you ever need a superhero, just call me. I got you some roses. So you can just call me. I can be your superhero boyfriend. That's what I'll be. That's what I'll be to you, Phoebe. Will you accept my rose? I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm not getting the vibe that she really wants to, make me a superhero. Like, it's a no-brainer. She definitely wants to make me, like, her boyfriend, but I don't think she wants to let me into the Thundermans and become a superhero. It's probably because I ain't really got any superpowers, but, when I eat that overcooked popcorn and I turn into a superhero, she's going to be regretting all of her decisions, guys. She's really going to be regretting all of her decisions when I eat that overcooked popcorn and I turn into a superhero. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and blow up her house and see if she's able to survive. What? You're saying this is really stupid, Phoebe? This is going to tell the audience who has, more superpowers, me or you. Because if I live, that means I'm a better superhero. And if you live, that means you're a better superhero. And oh my God, whoa! Where'd she go? Oh my God, what happened to Phoebes? Oh my gosh. She must have flew off, guys. She must have flew off into the sky to go and do some superhero duties, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video and you enjoyed the Thundermobile, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe, guys. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.